Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've been off for a few days because I have the flu, and it was really, really bad for a few days. I still feel crappy today, but better enough to come back on the videos. So here we are today, Monday, March 17th, and you probably will notice my voice is a little different. So it's interesting because we had 3 Microsoft Edge updates last week, 2 in very quick succession. But what's interesting with the one that we have now is that it doesn't have any information on it. So when I looked at the comments, I saw a couple of you were mentioning that your number differed from mine. And I looked, and yeah, there was an update. So when you go to the upper right corner, the 3 horizontal dots, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge, you notice that you are ending at .72. So it's 134.0.3124.72. And I'm not on insider build. I don't have the updates for anything that is, special. It's just regular Microsoft Edge. So this is interesting because when you look at the blog post of the Microsoft Edge releases, well, the only release that they talk about ends at .68, and that was March 13th, and we're the 17th today, and nope, no info about anything else. So I'll be looking at the blog post through the day, see if they actually updated, but it's quite unusual that, first, it's unusual that we had so many updates in a row. Then it's kind of unusual that we have an update that has absolutely no information on it. So anyways, this is where you should be probably if you're on Microsoft Edge in the version number, and it's quite unique to see that this has happened, actually. So that's where we are at, ending at .72. We don't really know. Is it security fixes? Is it bug fixes? Mix of both. We're not sure exactly, but that's the latest update that we have for Microsoft Edge. I know a lot of you have mentioned that you were at that number in the build number too. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.